A warm-up poster of the OnePlus 16 is making the rounds on Chinese social media platforms. A closer look at the top half suggests that it could feature a circular camera module, replacing the square camera module introduced on the OnePlus 15. Before that, the OnePlus 13 featured a circular camera module. The OnePlus 16 is now expected to be unveiled in October, aligning with the launch schedule of its predecessor. The OnePlus 16 will feature a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution, a 165Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone may have sub-1 mm bezels on all four sides, with the OnePlus 16 likely to receive a 200-megapixel primary camera, 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, include a 3x periscope telephoto camera, along with a dedicated AI button. Use Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset. It is paired with LPDDR6 RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Include a massive 9000 mAh battery, paired with 120W wired and 50W wireless charging. OnePlus has not confirmed any details officially. The OnePlus 16 is expected to debut in China around October 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.